Hi, fourth graders. Before we start designing our name and our block printing idea, I want to show you actually what we'll be doing with our idea and how it's going to look for a project. So this is called Easy Cut, and this is a rubber material that we're going to use next time to carve our plan. So we are working on a short word, and our word is reversed so that when we stamp it, it will be the correct way and we can read it. So this is my word art, and then I've chosen to do some stripes in the background. If you can't see the word art right now very easily, you'll certainly see it when I print. So this is my printing station. I have two messy mats that are overlapping, so I have a nice wide area to work in. I have two ink plates, which are these styrofoam trays. I have one roller, and me and a neighbor can share this station, so one roller for two people. And then I'm going to deliver ink to you. So this is a teacher job. Students never ever squirt their own ink. It's always going to be Mrs. Schmudluck doing that. And then I have a piece of paper that I'm going to stamp. So the black ink on the pink paper I think is going to look really nice. And I'm just going to quickly write my name so that I know it's mine when I put it on the drying rack. I'm going to put my pencil away because I don't want to get ink on it. And I'm going to pull the ink down by dipping my roller, this is called a brayer, into the ink, and I'm going to roll it down to make a small rectangle. I am standing when I print, which is really a good technique. You get a little more control of your body, and you can also see better because you're hovering over your space a little easier compared to when you sit. Notice how my little rectangle here is about the size of a deck of cards. So I'm not putting ink all over my tray. That would be really wasteful. I'm also going to go up and down and then switch directions and go side to side. Do you hear that sound? It's like a sizzly sound. That sound means the ink is ready and my roller, my brayer, is coated evenly. So that sticky sizzle sound is really the ink telling me that it's ready to go. So I have my block facing up on this tray. If you have a tray that's already been used, it's not a big deal because sometimes we run off of our block and then we accidentally leave a mark with our roller. Not a big deal at all. So now I'm ready to roll my block. Now you can really see the word. It's backwards because eventually, remember, when we stamp it, it will turn forwards. So I'm rolling this up and down and side to side. And then I'm going to put my brayer here to rest. I don't want to put it here because it's going to get in my way. Put it off to the side. And then I'm going to probably flip this over so my name is on the front. And I'm going to line this up. We never ever try to pick up our stamp and flip it over because it's really messy and you might drop it. You get more control by just laying the paper down on the print, the block. And then you're going to press. Once it's down, don't move it around because it'll smear all over and then you'll have a really smeary print. I'm not pressing super hard. Some students think that they have to press and like smash their paper into the stamp. You don't have to do that. I'm just kind of rubbing it gently and making sure I get all the corners and the lines. I can see the rectangle showing, but I can't quite read the word, so I can't wait to see what this is going to look like when I pull it back. This is called pulling the print. And I'm going to reveal my print. And it says, my favorite word, art. We're going to practice today using just black paint.